For the next experiment, you will need two identical glasses, some water, a playing card, and a coin. So, are you ready? Now, I am going to pour water into one of the glasses. Fill it up to the brim. So now I have one empty glass and one glass filled with water. First, I am placing the card on the empty glass. And I am dropping a 5 rupee coin over the free end. What happened? The card fell. So once again, see, the card fell. This is because there is no balance between the two sides. One side is heavier and therefore the gravitational force pulls it down. Now I am going to do the same thing in the glass that is filled with water. So now when I place the coin, it doesn't fall. So why does this happen? This is because the surface of the water forms a contact with the card. So in order to make the card fall, the weight of this coin must be greater than the surface tension of the water so that it can break the bond between the surface of the water and the card. Whereas in this case, we didn't have any water molecules to hold the card down. The air molecules couldn't hold the card down. So now it creates a balance and therefore the coin and the card do not fall.